Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best counter lights is probably one of the most impactful yet often overlooked elements in creating a stunning kitchen ambience, transforming mundane spaces into culinary showcases with their strategic illumination. These aren't just functional fixtures, they are design statements that can dramatically enhance the mood, highlight your countertops' beauty, and improve your overall cooking experience, making them an essential consideration for any homeowner looking to elevate their kitchen's aesthetic and practicality. Number 5. MCGOR 10-inch under cabinet lighting. These lights automatically turn on when motion is detected within 10 feet in dark environments, and switch off after 20 seconds of inactivity. Never stumble in the dark again. Need continuous light? Switch to always-on mode for tasks like reading or camping. It can even function as a portable flashlight. Customize your lighting with 5 brightness levels. Perfect for bright task lighting during meal prep or a soft glow as a night light. Forget about batteries and wiring. These lights feature a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 45 days on a single charge. Installation is a breeze with built-in magnets and included adhesive plates. Simply attach them to any surface, no tools required. Ideal for kitchens, closets, stairs, hallways, and more. These lights provide convenient illumination wherever you need it. What we like? This offers smart motion detection for convenience and safety in dark areas. It also features adjustable brightness levels for different tasks and a rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for frequent battery changes. If you're looking for versatile lighting for your kitchen, stairs, or closets that's easy to maintain and adapt to your needs, this is a great choice. What people say. The light quality is excellent. You can choose between warm and cool whites, which is great for switching between task lighting and a softer look in the evening. They are plenty bright, and the motion sensor is very snappy. The magnets are also strong, so they stay exactly where you put them. It's also a huge plus that they are rechargeable, so I'm not constantly swapping out batteries. They look clean, feel durable, and really brighten up the kitchen. The adhesive on the metal plates holds well to multiple surfaces and the light is easy to remove when needed. The motion detection works flawlessly and the light is nice and bright. White color light is very bright, and much appreciated. Motion sensor is great. Like 10 feet, possibly more, away and it detects. Feels like a good solid build. Not cheap and flimsy like others I have purchased. Charging is of course easy and convenient. Number 4. STAR-SPANGLED Push Tap Light 5-Pack. Experience effortless lighting with a simple press. Just tap the sender to turn it on or off, making it incredibly easy for everyone, even pets, to use. Enjoy ultra-high quality light that's soft and gentle on your eyes. Its anti-glare panel provides comfortable illumination, perfect for children and the elderly. These lights are powered by AAA batteries, offering a safe and uncomplicated solution. No need to worry about electrical cords or shocks, especially around children. Installation and battery replacement are a breeze with its split design. Simply twist to remove and reinstall, and use the included adhesive pads for a secure fit on any surface. Its mini size makes it ideal for adding light wherever you need it. Perfect for closets, cabinets, kitchens, hallways, and so much more. From wardrobes to drawers, these lights provide the perfect amount of extra illumination. They are a versatile addition to any room in your home. What we like? This provides a straightforward, tap-to-operate lighting solution with a gentle, eye-protective glow. Its mini size makes it incredibly versatile for small spaces. If you need simple, safe, and accessible lighting for children, the elderly, or even pets, especially in areas like closets, cabinets, or nightstands, these are perfect. What people say. The lights are very bright and illuminate the entire countertop. Easy to install and adjust the brightness. The sleek design complements my kitchen decor. Number 3. Brilliant Evolution Wireless LED Puck Light 3-Pack. Mount these lights in seconds with magnetic strips. Brighten dim areas in your kitchen, closet, or pantry without complicated wiring. Adjust brightness, turn them on or off, or set a timer with the included remote. You can manage your lighting from across the room with ease. Set them to turn off automatically after 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. You can also tap the lens to activate them instantly when the remote isn't nearby. Each light delivers 55 lumens of soft 3000K illumination. They provide a cozy yet clear brightness perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or workspaces. Powered by 3 AAA batteries per puck, these lights offer extended runtime. They are ideal for daily use in high-traffic areas where consistent lighting is needed. What we like. This offers convenient lighting control with an included remote, allowing you to adjust brightness and set timers from a distance. Installation is a breeze with magnetic strips. If you desire effortless control over your under-cabinet or closet lighting and appreciate the flexibility of adjusting ambience and setting automatic shutoffs, this is an excellent option. What people say. They come with screws, but screw that. They also helpfully come with 3M Destroyo paint sticky pads that preclude one from having to waste the battery on one's cordless drill to gouge destruction holes in one's landlord's property. They stick like the dickens. Quite convenient. The remote control makes it incredibly easy to waste over 20 minutes dimming and toggling the lights in a silent house like a moron child with pretend telekinesis via his magical pointy on-off phaser. Pew pew pew. On. Off. Dim brightt dim membrigite off. Off off off. Bam on. Bam on. Pew 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 etc. What a convenient feature. I also love that I can manually turn individual lights on and off. The light for the pantry isn't needed all the time, so I can just turn it on when I need it without getting the remote and turning all the other lights on at the same time. Number 2. Brilliant Evolution Stick-On Push Lights, 6-pack. Introducing Brilliant Evolution Stick-On Push Lights, a 6-pack of remote-controlled LED lights designed for easy installation. These battery-operated puck lights provide instant wireless lighting for any space, mountable with adhesive or screws. Control these lights effortlessly with the included remote. You can easily adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience for your kitchen, closet, or shelf areas with just a simple touch. Turn them on or off with a simple tap, or utilize the timer function. Set them for 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes for flexible and convenient lighting solutions. Enjoy a warm white LED glow with an impressive long battery life. These lights last up to 4 times longer than other brands, perfect for illuminating cabinets, shelves, or counters without any wiring. These battery-powered puck lights are incredibly versatile. Use them as under-cabinet lights, night lights, or bookshelf lighting. Their compact, wireless, and remote-controlled design makes them suitable for any indoor space. What we like. This provides dual control options with both a remote and tap functionality, along with adjustable brightness for customized lighting. It boasts a warm white glow and extended battery life. If you want flexible, user-friendly lighting for cabinets, counters, or shelves that's easy to install and manage, and you prefer a warm, inviting light, this is a solid pick. What people say. They come with screws, but screw that. They also helpfully come with 3M Destroyo paint sticky pads that preclude one from having to waste the battery on one's cordless drill to gouge destruction holes in one's landlord's property. They stick like the dickens. Quite convenient. The remote control makes it incredibly easy to waste over 20 minutes dimming and toggling the lights in a silent house like a moron child with pretend telekinesis via his magical pointy on-off phaser. Pew pew pew. On. Off. Dim brightt dim membrigite off. Off off off. Bam on. Bam on. Pew 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 etc. What a convenient feature. I also love that I can manually turn individual lights on and off. The light for the pantry isn't needed all the time, so I can just turn it on when I need it without getting the remote, and turning all the other lights on at the same time. Number 1. WOBANE Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. Introducing the WOBANE Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. This versatile lighting solution is perfect for enhancing the ambience of any space in your home. With 6 pre-cut strips totaling nearly 10 feet, you can easily customize the layout to fit your cabinets, closets, desks, and more. It's a fantastic way to bring new life to your furniture. Experience super bright, warm white light with a total of 1,500 lumens. You can easily adjust the brightness to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Control your lighting from up to 60 feet away with the included RF wireless remote. Features include timing functions, dimming, and dynamic lighting effects. Designed with your safety in mind, it operates on a low DC 12V, ensuring minimal heat and a reliable, long-lasting performance. The included adapter can support multiple light bars. Installation is a breeze with the included accessories and strong adhesive tape. Simply clean the surface, stick them on, and connect, no tools or drilling required. What we like. This kit provides bright, dimmable LED strip lights that can be configured in various ways to illuminate larger areas like kitchens, counters, or showcases. The RF remote offers extensive control over brightness and timing. If you're looking to upgrade multiple cabinets or shelves with a powerful, customizable, and easily controlled lighting system, this kit is ideal. What people say. The brightness is just right, not too strong, not too dim. Installation was easy, and everything worked as expected. The adhesive holds well so far. It also looks very modern and clean. These lights provide nice even light that is so much cleaner and pleasant than puck lights. I use the U-shaped connector to run a double row of lights on the deeper cabinet above the fridge to provide enough light there. They are very bright when needed and have a lot of flexibility to dim them to your liking. These lights are plenty bright on their max setting, so no worries about them not being as bright if you opt to face them toward the wall. To hide the power cord, I just stapled the wire under the cabinet in a couple places, and hid the excess cord behind the refrigerator on one set of cabinets, and up into a gap next to the cabinet in the other set. After the lights were all installed, I was able to quickly and easily pair one remote to both sets of the white under-cabinet lights. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.